man. Yeah, that was hard. Now it's time to drill the string through hole, but I don't have a drill press. If they are not straight through the body, it will look ridiculous on the other side, and I really don't want that. I bought this
ridiculous thing for you.
I'm going to test it on this wood. This is the same wood as the guitar. And I'm going to drill 6 holes right here and see if I can make this work. And now, for the big moment, you turn around. Oh man, it's not good. Oh no, that's definitely not good. What to do? So this is after 3 attempts. Every one of them, okay, there's a hole missing, but that's not the point. Every one of these attempts are failed attempts, so this machine is not for guitar building. I guess I have to go ask some friends for a little help. That was amateur hour, unfortunately. I got so stressed out by this less than perfect result that I didn't film how I put in the string ferules. I put them in, but they ended up not being perfectly spaced as well. So what's the takeaway? Well, when you build your first or second guitar, not everything will be perfect, and that's okay. As long as you can repair it and fix it and make it work, it's just fine. That's part of the fun of it. Making things work, making things better, fixing what's wrong. I was really not happy with it at the time, but the guitar plays great. And I think it works okay with the rough and relic look somehow. And now it's just part of the guitar's unique story, and I really love that. So don't panic and don't give up if you make mistakes. It will happen, and that's okay. That's how you get better. That's how you learn. Now, if you want to see how to drill perfect string through holes, there's a link in the description to a great video by Highline Guitars. And if you want to see how I built this guitar from the beginning, check out the playlist right here. And remember to like and subscribe if you like this content. I'll see you in there.